there, that goes there, that goes there. Oh, hello. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to learn how to change the fuel filter on a Mark IV Volkswagen Jetta TDI. This is the diesel engine, so the fuel filter is located right here under the hood. If you have the unleaded version of this car, your filter will be by the rear passenger tire underneath the car. Alright, here are the tools you'll need to get this job done. A small set of pliers or channel locks, a large Phillips screwdriver, a replacement filter, and some diesel fuel. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this screw right here, and that'll loosen the canister up so we can pull out the fuel filter. Put the screwdriver in here, unscrew this, and this will loosen the thing that's holding it in. Get that loose, take it out, okay? So these clips right here, there's 4 of them, hold the hoses on, and we're going to pinch those together with our pliers, and then we're going to slide those off, each one, and then we'll take this pin out here, this little Mickey Mouse pin, and that will allow us to pull this up and out of the canister. Okay, now we're going to take our pliers here and loosen these spring clamps. That, and I'm going to do this one right here. Now we'll have to pry these off. Alright, and we'll use this to pry these off of here. Wiggle that off like that. Do this side too. Get that off there. Perfect. Take our screwdriver again, stick it in here, pry off this Mickey Mouse clip. Then we'll pry this up. I said you need to take these 2 spring clamps off, but really you can just leave them connected. Pry this out. And there you see the O-rings right there. Okay, we got that out. Now we just have to take the filter out. Just pull the canister out. All the way out here. And we're going to grab another one. Grab the new one. Okay, so now we got our new canister all ready to go into place. We got it right here. And we're just going to put it back down to where the other one was. And just lower it back into place there. There we go. Get it set in there. We're going to tighten the screw again to hold the filter in place. Okay. Now we just need to attach these hoses back again and we'll be all set. Okay, you put the return valve back in there. Just push it down in like that. Okay, now we're going to put the Mickey Mouse clip back into place. There, it snaps right into place there, and now we're going to grab our pliers and put the hoses back on. Okay, so now we're going to take our pliers here and reattach this first hose clamp. Okay, got that. Now we're going to go ahead and do the other one. And there we go, got it all on. And that's it, you're all done. Just start your car up and make sure you don't have any leaks. And thanks for watching.